The fourth step in the process involves removing extrinsic discoloration and polishing surfaces. This is where the MyLunos powder jet unit comes in, or, as an alternative, polishing with suitable Prophy paste. The Prophy paste 2-in-1 cleans, removes discoloration and polishes in just a single step. Rod-shaped silicate particles are reduced during the cleaning process, resulting in a smooth reduction in abrasiveness. From cleaning to polishing in just 10 seconds. This cuts down on the time-consuming task of polishing with pastes that have various degrees of abrasion. The Lunos 2-in-1 enables effective cleaning and polishing thanks to an innovative system of abrasive and polishing agents. It's highly gentle on tooth substance with an RDA of 28. The consistency of the paste allows it to spread easily with practically no spray. The Lunos Prophy Paste Super Soft is the perfect choice in situations where you need to take a highly gentle approach to cleaning and polishing. With an RDA of less than 5, it's especially suitable for sensitive surfaces such as implants, orthodontic appliances and dental restorations. Its low RDA and mild taste also make it ideal for use in children's prophylaxis treatment. The prophylaxis ring is a small accessory that's designed to make your work more ergonomic. The practical foot allows the paste to be positioned on the tray, ready for use. The Prophy paste holder has no edges, making it easy to clean. As reprocessing abilities are an important part of the Lunos system, the prophylaxis ring can also be thermally disinfected and sterilized.